Hello out there and welcome to Peter's online tutor. So today we shall be looking at mathematics, okay? And the topic here is finding coefficient in binomial expansion. So you have a question on the board. It says find the coefficient of the seventh term in the binomial expansion of bracket open 2 minus x over 3 bracket close raised to the power of 10. Okay, so how do we solve this? Let's start. Now, there is a general formula, okay, in binomial theorem, okay, which goes like this: TR plus 1 TH equals N combination R, A raised to the power N minus R, B raised to the power of R. So this is what we shall be using to expand this particular question, okay? Now, take note. Our N here is 10. Now, what is our R? Our R is not given. So how do we find our R? Please take note of this. They said 7th 10, all right? So I can write R plus 1 TH, okay? Now, this is equal to, now, what will I add to 1 to get 7 then? That is 6. I'm going to be having 6 plus 1 TH, okay? So obviously, my R here is what? Is 6. So this is what we shall be using now. So it's going to be T sevenths, okay, that is 6 plus 1 equals to, my N here is 10, 10 combination. Now, my R here is 6, okay, my A here is 2, okay, raised to the power of what? N. What's my N? 10 minus R. What's my R? My R is what? 6, okay. Then I'm having my B here. What's my B? My B is minus x over what? 3. So minus x over 3, bracket close, raised to the power of r, which is what? 6. Okay, so 7th term is now equal to 10 combination what? 6. Okay, 2 raised to the power of 4. Okay, then bracket open minus x over 3, then raised to the power of what? Of 6. All right. Now, looking at what we are having here, all right, so we can still continue. Okay, so the 7th term equals, now, how do you write 10 combination 6? Okay, how do you write 10 combination 6? So it's like this: 10 factorial over 10 minus 6 factorial 6 factorial. This is how we write what? 10 combination 6. Now, 2 raised to the power of 4, okay, and 2 to the power of 4. Now, we can actually split this. So I'll be having minus 1 over 3 raised to the power of 6, and then x raised to the power of 6. Okay, minus 1 over 3 raised to the power of 6, x raised to the power of 6. All right. So the 7th term now is now equal to 10 factorial is 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4. It continues like that, okay? But I'm having a 6 factorial down, so let me stop here. Over 4 factorial, okay? Then 6 factorial. Now, 2 raised to the power of 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That gives us what? 16, okay? Then times. Now, if you check here, this is what a negative sign, and this is what an even number. So, of course, the negative sign goes up. So, we'll be having 1 over. All right? Now, 3 raised to the power of 6. That is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times what? Times 3. Okay, so that will give us 729. Okay, so I'm having 729 times x raised to the power of 6. Okay, so this and this goes off. So I'm having 7th 10 here is 10 times 9 times 8 times 7. Now 6 factorial up and 6 factorial down can go off. So over what? 4 factorial is what? 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, that is 4 factorial. Then times 16 times 1 over 729 times x raised to the power of 6. All right, so 4 here 1, 4 here is 2. Okay, 2 cancels 2, 3 here 1, 3 here is 3. All right, so I'm having 10 times 3 times what? Times 7. Okay, so 10 times 3 times 7 will give us 210. Okay, times 16 times 1 over 729 times x raised to the power of 6. All right, something can still go here. Okay, now 3 here is 2. Remember what? 1, 3 and 12 is what? 4, 3, 9 is 3. Then 3 in 210 is 70. Okay, so 70 times 16. 70 times 16 will give us 1120. Okay, x raised to the power 6 over 243. Okay, so now if you look at this, the question says find the coefficient of the seventh term in the binomial expansion of this. Okay, so the coefficient of the seventh term now, the coefficient of the seventh term, okay, of the seventh term, okay, is 1120 over 243. So the coefficient of the seventh term is 1120 over 243. Okay, so that is what our answer. So if you love what you have seen so far, okay, kindly what click on the subscription button and then like this video. All right. So see you again in our next class. Bye bye.